everyone, my name is Marco Hernandez and welcome to today's lesson on SQL Insights. SQL Insights is a feature in OCI Ops Insights cloud service that displays a series of 3 dashboards which are interconnected from fleet level to database level and from database level to SQL level. In Ops Insights, you can use SQL Insights on Oracle or MySQL databases to analyze SQL level performance data collected on databases via widgets. This telemetry is collected every 30 minutes and transferred into the Ops Insights warehouse where it is curated, persisted, and made available through data objects. The main purpose of SQL Insights is to provide application database analysts and developers a historical archive of detailed SQL performance data, as well as operationally useful insights derived from that data at the SQL statement, database, and fleet levels. Let's begin by navigating to SQL Insights. On the Ops Insights overview page, from the left pane, click SQL Insights. On the SQL Insights Fleet Analysis page, a fleet-level dashboard will be displayed where you can view insights and analysis over all SQL and all databases enabled in the compartment. This dashboard provides an inventory of how many databases enabled Ops Insights, as well as a tree map view of the commands running across these databases and insights for databases with degrading SQL, plan changes, cursor sharing issues, and invalidation storms. On the bottom of the page, a table lists the top databases along with important metadata pertaining to them such as average active sessions, SQL count, and more. Let's click on databases with plan changes. This will navigate us to a page displaying our databases with the most planned changes. Here we can see the sales-WT database has 123 planned changes. Click on the database sales-WT to view the SQL Insights database analysis page. The database analysis dashboard is designed to give a broad overview of the SQL workload executing in the database. This includes basic properties of the database and the SQL collected from it, including breakdowns of total time by command and module, and the ratio time in SQL or PL/SQL. Insight tiles with counts of SQL with SQL having level insights quantify those issues at the database level, such as degrading or improving SQLs, degraded or improved plan changes, invalidation storms, and new SQLs. SQL activity is shown by day and broken down by command type, exposing changes in workload over time. Execute to parse ratio and SQL count and invalidation charts expose important application properties over time. Click on Degraded Plan Changes. This will navigate us to the Degraded Plan Changes page, which displays a list of SQL IDs with high estimated DB times and average latencies. Click on the first SQL ID to view SQL Insights SQL Analysis. This will navigate us to the most granular level for SQL Insights. At this level, you can view a full picture of the performance properties of a given SQL ID on a given database. This includes basic properties like the command type and text of the statement, as well as average latency and execution frequency. Insight tiles indicate whether the SQL level insights of the SQL ID were true over the time period. Daily charts of total database time, average latency, and input-output enable deeper examination of the relationship of SQL plans to resource usage. Here we can view charts that show the recent trends in DB time and executions, as well as average latency by plan. We can see in this chart that there was a plan change on August 6, which resulted in a spike in average latency. This explains the spike in DB time and executions, which may result in performance complications and potentially overloading the database. Thanks for joining today's lesson on SQL Insights. For more information on using SQL Insights, please refer to our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure documentation.